How to perform an SEO audit of your website. An SEO site audit analyzes the search visibility of your website. It gives you a deeper understanding of how your site generates traffic or improves sales and conversions. Keywords, tags, and backlinks used to get ranks, but it doesn't anymore. Search engines are looking for more intelligent data like site speed and responsiveness, relevant content, authority, and technical code, among other things you may not know. Audits are essential. Why? Search engines are constantly changing how they compute search results when someone performs a query. If you don't regularly conduct site audits, you may not be optimized for the results. You can stuff keywords until you're blue in the face and it won't improve your chances of ranking. SEO audits are not quick. Set aside a few days to do it properly. You may want to find all of the issues and create actionable direction on how to improve. What to include on an audit. Technical audit to make sure your site is responsive. An on-site audit including a full review of all pages for proper keyword use. An off-site audit analyzing backlinks, anchor tests, authority, and trust. A social audit reviewing mentions and visibility. What does an audit provide? An audit provides a detailed analysis of how your website performs in search and social media. Included in the results is a list of action items with explanations and a marketing strategy, enabling you to take advantage of opportunities for improvement. An audit may be cost prohibitive for some businesses. The cost for an in-depth audit prepared by a professional can be expensive. There are SEO audit tools available online to run your audit and start impacting changes, but it's not difficult to perform your own as long as you have a guide. In the next few slides, we'll review the ideal audit format. Titles and descriptions. This should be unique for each page. If the user can't tell from the title what the page is about, then rework it. The report should provide direction and let the user know what problem that page solves. URLs. A URL is a string of text with no spaces, but that doesn't mean it is hard to read. It should help the user identify precisely where they are on your site. URLs contain keywords, includes hyphens to separate words, are unique for each page, and are less than 255 characters. Text formatting. This includes tags, bold and italics for emphasis. Lists break up big blocks of text, helping with readability. Unique content helps with indexing and prevents the assignment of penalties from search engines. High-quality content should be with no spelling mistakes and no grammar errors. Maintain a frequent posting schedule to keep content fresh and relevant. Images. They make a web page easier to read and more attractive for sharing on social media. Be sure your images don't affect page load times or it can work against you. File names should describe what the image is about and should have an alt tag. Consider compressing images to minimize their size if you use a lot of them. Define your main menu. This and keep your interface and navigation consistent across all pages. Group content into relevant categories and pages. Make your contact page easily accessible. Implement breadcrumbs or another identifier on all internal pages so users know where they are and how to get back. Social media affects SEO in the form of links and exposure. You can optimize your site for sharing by adding images, making it easy to read, and keeping content blocks short. Ensure you have a presence on social media so followers can tag you, tweet you, and spread the word about your brand. Promoting your website online goes beyond SEO. An SEO audit identifies missing opportunities, finds potential customers, and suggests ways to reach them. It's a complete assessment of errors or issues, and many online tools will suggest improvements based on results. Be sure to check back for more videos. Click the subscribe button below to learn more.